open it. Look what our sweet neighbor gave us. The Boyans. Look, Colin. Owen's helping open it.
Wow.
Oh.
Mom looks excited.
This is for me and Baby Colin.
Is it?
To play with.
Yeah, you can play with Baby Colin with it.
Do you think Colin loves it? I think Owen loves it more. Isn't that super nice?
Oh, and you did such a good job opening that. We need to go write a thank you card right now.
Why?
Amen.
Why?
Because we like
That's
writing
what we
thank you
do.
cards. Look at that. I want to play with that.
It's a little turtle.
How about I play with that?
You need a... I want to...
Want me to help open it?
What?
Do you want me to help open it?
Yeah, please. I'll go get it.
You'll get scissors?
Remember, walk